House hunting. It's step 4 to buying a house.
Okay, but first let's hit it. Hi, this is Alan Victoria Pinder. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and channel, please subscribe and also get notified when we put a podcast and video for you.
Honestly, get calls, text, and call all the time at 252-327-3357. So don't be shy. I'm happy to talk to you. So let's talk about house hunting. My favorite part, shopping. Woohoo!
Yeah, this is the best part that you start looking for a house, going to all the listing that is available in MLS or multi-listing.
Right.
And
so say you've chosen me as your realtor, right? Now we're going to go shopping and we're going to look at what exactly you're looking for, because your needs are not my needs. So I am looking for you, and we're going to put your needs and wants as the top priority. At the type of the houses, the price, what else?
basically the type of the house, the price, the square footage of the house, basically what type of the house style you're looking. 1 story, 2 story, with how many car garage?
Beds, bath, amenities in the area,
yes,
property taxes, the neighborhood you want to be in, the schools you tell us you want to be in.
Yeah, and if you have a kids, definitely you wanted to talk to us to see what are school zones that you like, that we can help you with.
You have to tell us what school zones. But either way, you're going to tell us, and then we can go exactly shopping for what it is that you want, which is great. That means then we get to go look at these houses and say, oh, this one was good, but this one is better. And we get to rank them and name the houses. Oh, the pink house, or oh, the one with the strange door, or whatever. So we're going to name them. We're going to have fun. We're going to look at all these things and find your most popular, the one you love, and forget all the ones you hate. But we're going to go looking at these places in person. Sometimes a picture doesn't always tell you the whole deal. Sometimes somebody's cheap and they took a cheap picture, and that doesn't show you the grandeur of the house. In fact, it made it look ugly because they took a bad picture.
Yes.
Which also is good because it means there's less competition out there. So when your realtor suggests, hey, we should go see this house, and you're like, nah, no, that's ugly, it might not actually be ugly. It can just be an ugly picture. I've seen it the other way too. I have seen amazing photos where you're like, wow, I want to be in this house, I can't wait, it looks gorgeous, and then you look at it and go, this is not the house I just saw in the picture. This is I don't know what happened, but that's a fake picture. But it's not really a fake picture. They just had a great photographer. So I mean,
and also one is important things that you need to make sure that if you go more than 2 or 3 houses per day with your real estate agent, make sure that you're making notes of these houses, because to be honest, after 2-3 houses, everything becomes blurry. You don't remember what was in the first house, what was the last one.
That's why I always name them and we rank them.
Yeah,
so on a 1 to 10,
naming them and ranking them is really helping you, because that at the end you want to shortlist all of the houses that you see to bring it to the 1 or 2 to make sure which one you love the more.
Right, and don't be shy to tell me that you love it or you hate it. I'm not here to judge. If you think this house was great, awesome, that's amazing. You found the house that you want, and you think this house is terrible, then tell me so I don't take that to waste my time showing you more houses like that one that you hate, because it's just a waste of all of our time. So tell me if you're, what you're feeling when you walk into these houses, not because I care, like your opinion, like maybe you do all these things or whatever, that's your life, and you're looking for a house that fits your life. So it's not about being shy with me, it's about being honest, and I'm happy to help you. That way we can find the ones that match you.
And see you in next video and podcast.
All right.